What's up, Connor? Hi, I'm Owen, and welcome to Cooking with Culinary, KTIG's special cooking show. Today we have chefs Patrick and Jackie from Culinary here to help us. They'll be showing us how to make blueberry lime cheesecake cupcakes, so stay tuned for today's episode of Cooking with Culinary. All right, let's get started with the recipe. Could you show us the ingredients needed?
Okay, so the ingredients needed for our dough are all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, sugar, vanilla extract, and cream cheese.
All right.
And then for our cheesecake filling, we have cream cheese, lime, and powdered sugar.
Okay,
All right, let's get started.
let's jump right into it. So first we're gonna start off with our dough, which is just flour. So we're gonna add that into the bowl. And then we got some normal sugar. So add that in. And then we're gonna...
Salt.
Not salt, sugar. Then we're gonna add in our butter. We're gonna cut it up into pieces so it's easier to mix.
Hey, Owen, how you doing?
Great, Patrick. How are you doing?
I'm doing great on this fine morning. Jackie, how often do you make this recipe?
I make this recipe about like twice a month usually. It's my
Dang.
go-to barbecue recipe. I've been able to win first place with this recipe at different competitions, so it's a staple of mine. So we're gonna go in with our hands to cut up the pieces of butter and mix in all those ingredients so they incorporate into one dough. So it might take a bit.
All right.
Okay.
So, got anything going on in Culinary coming up?
We sure do, Owen. We have our Valentine's Day event where we're going to be watching Lady and the Tramp while eating spaghetti in the courtyard. It's gonna be really awesome. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be at 6 p.m. on February 10th.
How much are tickets?
The tickets are gonna be $10. You can either get them at the door or you can get them online. Scan the QR codes on the posters that are around the school.
All right.
Oh, and me and you are gonna be there.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be recreating every scene.
Yep.
So stay tuned for that.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be great.
Every scene.
Every single scene.
So our dough is coming together. Now we have a full ball we are able to make, so it's all, that's how you know it's done, whenever all is able to stick together. So now that we're done with our dough, we're gonna move on to making our cheesecake filling.
Well, this is looking really great. Make sure to stay tuned to see what's next right after this quick break. All right, welcome back. Now that we had a little break, let's finish this recipe.
All right, we're gonna start off with this cheesecake filling. Got our powdered sugar here. Just gonna throw that in. There we go. Then cream cheese. Open that up. Hey, Jackie.
Okay.
How you doing today?
I'm chilling. How about you?
Good, good, good. Here we go. Get it in there. There we go.
Right.
And then
You gotta cut that in half first.
hi, y'all.
We're gonna only squeeze half of that lime right there.
Yeah,
And then
get the lime juice all nice and
we're
incorporated in
gonna
there.
zest the second part.
Yeah, oh,
Whoa.
Okay then.
All right. So Jackie, how have you been preparing for skills competitions?
We have practice. Well, I have practice twice a week from 2 to 5 p.m.
What are the competitions that you're doing?
I'm doing waitress service as well as wedding cake decorating.
And how's that all going?
Well, you know, it's going. How about you, Patrick? What are you doing for skills?
I am doing a career demonstration project with one of our other officers, and then I'm doing a prepared speech, and that's all on the last day of competition.
That's very interesting. Yeah.
Jackie, how'd you get started with skills?
Oh, well, last year there was this senior that was like, you should do skills with me. And I was like, okay.
Was it the senior that you took her spot?
Yes, I took her spot actually.
On KTIG?
On KTIG. And restaurant service. And president.
You kind of stole everything from her.
I did.
Yeah.
Poor Aurelie.
Her whole life.
First.
So usually you could have a stand mixer do
Stand
this.
mixer.
In case you forgot an attachment, which I don't know why you would, but if you did, then you'd mix it by hand like
Well,
Jackie
some
is.
people leave.
So, Helen, how are you doing?
How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Yeah.
Do y'all have
Please, can we?
What happened to your co-star Amy?
She caught the plague, unfortunately, and she's not with us.
Yeah.
like that?
Yeah.
She passed on.
Okay. Good to
Rest
know.
in peace, Amy.
R.I.P. Amy. Fly high.
Fly high. Oh,
Whoa. Oh yeah.
they're kicking us out.
Yeah.
They are actually. I guess.
How's work been, Owen?
Work is actually good. Mr. Shank gave me that raise, so
Oh,
shout out to
okay.
Mr. Shank, everybody. Oh, well guys, if you go onto Google reviews of Montgomery Bakehouse, you can see a certain review by one Muhammad Zaman, who said that my outstanding service, he was just coming in to look, but he ended up getting more than something. I don't have the review memorized, but yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Muhammad.
Shout out to Muhammad Zaman.
Shout out Muhammad.
So now we're gonna fill up our molds to make the bottom shell of our cookies.
Cookies?
Cookies.
They're little bite-sized cookies.
So we're gonna make little
Yeah.
circles.
Cookies?
I think.
We're gonna make these into tiny balls. And we're gonna put them into this, just a basic silicone mold so they're easier to pop out when they're done baking. So we're gonna bake these at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. You could do it in an air fryer, that's what I mostly use at competition, or you could just do it in an oven, whatever you prefer, whatever you have at home.
We'll put it in our KTIG oven.
In the big KTIG oven.
Big KTIG oven.
That's right here.
Yeah.
Yep, so now we're gonna press these down, if one of y'all wants to help me.
Oh, and you got it.
With my no gloved hands, all right.
Yeah, but you wash your hands before this.
Yeah.
so it's
Yeah,
but-
you washed your hands.
All right, y'all.
Here you go. I'll do
This-
this side. Just press that all the way down and get it down on the sides. Make sure there's none up there. And then those are ready to be put into the oven.
All right, we're gonna take one more commercial break and we'll be right back.
Oh my god, yo, bro, I just remembered we have that one math assignment due today.
Oh, I already finished it. It was pretty easy.
Picture, if you will, you're trapped in a dark and mysterious room with seemingly no visible escape. Surrounding you is a vast variety of oddities, serving as hints and clues to help you find a way out. Your mind begins searching for answers as it also comes up with creative ways for you to make your escape. The question is, does your mind have what it takes? it's only a matter of time before we find out. Introducing Mindscapers, a new escape room reality competition show coming this March to KTIG, where 4 teams will have to compete against each other and the clock as they try and escape out of 3 increasingly difficult escape rooms. Sign-ups open soon, so if you're ready to test your mind, then your time has come.
That sounds like a plan.
All right, now let's finish this recipe and plate it.
Okay, so for our decoration, we're gonna put some lime on top, so we're gonna cut that right now. We're gonna cut down the bottom and then the top too. So then we're gonna cut it like this sideways.
Ooh, so fancy.
Now we're gonna cut in between our flaps right here. So
Like the music?
I really hope the mic can pick up the music in the background.
It can, unfortunately, I don't think.
It can't?
I don't think so.
oh my
Maybe.
fucking bangs.
It's very angelic.
I know.
I feel like I'm ascending, you know?
I mean, look at how white the lighting makes me. I feel like I am ascending.
Okay, so what are you like doing to this lime right now?
Okay, so you see, it's like cutting, what's it called? Oh, I forgot the name of the fruit. So we're cutting in between the flaps so we don't get any of that skin. So it just pops out with no skin on it. Now we're gonna cut these lime slices in half because our cookies are so small. So just gonna. Now we're gonna start adding all our stuff together.
All right, let's plate it.
First we're gonna get a spoonful of our jam. We got Smackers Natural Blueberry Jam.
Yeah. Smackers is crazy.
I'm illiterate,
Yeah.
man. Let
These
me live
are
my life.
Honorary cupcakes, everybody. Not
Oh my
actually
gosh.
cupcakes.
Dude, are you that sad?
No, I'm not sad. I was very confused when we started making cookies.
They're
I like
honorary
cookies though.
cupcakes.
They're
Okay.
honorary cupcakes.
So we're gonna add a little spoonful of our jam right here. There you go. And then next one. Not too much because all the components on top are gonna make it spread. So, now
Have a
that we
special
have our
guest.
jam, now we're gonna add our cream cheese filling.
All right, lock in,
Okay.
Jackie.
So we're gonna grab it and we're gonna just. There you go.
So how many Smurfs do you think this feeds?
I'd say about 2 Papa Smurfs, you know?
Probably. 2 small Papa Smurfs, 1 girl Smurf,
1 girl Smurf.
1 girl Smurf.
1 girl
The gray
just
one.
The gray-
The gray Smurf.
The emo Smurf.
Either 2 Papa Smurfs or just 1 gray Smurf.
I think 2 Papa Smurfs. What the freak? Okay,
What are their
now
names?
we're gonna
Gray
add
Smurf 1.
our cream cheese frosts. Well, let's see if this actually goes. Oh, I don't have a bench scraper to practice.
You're all good, Jackie. Log in.
I can't even.
Do you want help?
My bangs, man. I think I gotta cut them.
Your bangs are banging.
My bangs are banging. I can't even.
All right.
All right, guys.
Locked in.
Locked.
From the
Pick
B.
out your all's favorite 6.
If only I knew how to open this.
If
All right.
only.
We gotta find the biggest ones, you know.
Oh, that's a plump
Are these
one.
good? That one's kind of tart looking.
Bro.
You get a better one.
2. All right, I got my 3. Owen, did you not eat breakfast this morning?
I actually didn't, because I thought we were making cupcakes.
Okay.
Okay, now that that's done, now we're gonna add our finishing garnishes, which are, let me show y'all first how to do it. You're gonna get a blueberry, you're gonna put it on the side over here, and then you're gonna get one of your limes and put it right there.
Nice.
Okay,
All right,
here you go.
Oh, freak. This one's too fat.
Yeah.
Same.
Bro, go on a diet.
You want
Oh my
Dang.
gosh.
What'd the blueberry do to you?
Bro, it's big. It's ginormous. It's fat.
That's all. y'all.
Dang.
Bro, well, I mean, it gets to a
Here you
point.
go. Let me do the ones.
Now it's time to
finished
taste it,
product?
yeah.
All right.
Right.
Floss.
Yeah.
It's really good.
It's actually really fire.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Bunch of different
I
flavors.
have to share these, but I'm gonna make some more with just blueberries.
Awesome.
Okay.
All right.
Very fire.
Well, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the show. Make sure to stay tuned to KTIG's YouTube channel for another episode of Cooking with Culinary coming soon. And remember, anyone can cook, just follow the recipe.
Watch the YouTube shorts. Watch that. Watch the YouTube shorts.